Will you lose the money in your bank account if you file bankruptcy? In Massachusetts, usually not. Most people who file keep what's sitting in their account, and I'm going to show you the actual numbers that decide it. Almost nobody believes that the first time they hear it. People picture somebody from the court walking into their bank on filing day and cleaning them out. Rent money? Gone. Groceries? Gone. That's not how this works. The day you file, everything you own becomes part of what the law calls the bankruptcy estate. Your checking, your savings, your credit union account, all of it. That word scares people. It shouldn't. It doesn't mean your money's gone. It means a trustee is looking at it now, and the trustee only wants to know one thing. Do you have more in that account than the law says you get to keep? That's the whole question. He's not after your grocery money. So how much do you get to keep? In Massachusetts, 2 exemptions do the work on a bank account. The first one protects about $2,500 in cash or deposits. The second gives you another $1,000 you can put toward almost anything you own. And that $1,000 can stretch to about $6,000 if you haven't already spent it protecting something else, like a car. So go look at your accounts right now. Add up your checking, your savings, all of it. Under about $3,500, you're generally covered. Between $3,500 and $8,500, depends on what else you're protecting. That one's a conversation, not a calculator. Massachusetts also gives you a second option most people never hear about. You can take the federal exemption list instead of the state one, and for renters, that usually protects a lot more cash. You pick one list for the whole case though, so don't decide it off your bank balance alone. And if you do come in over the line, the trustee's generally only entitled to the part that isn't covered, not the whole account. Now let me save you from the worst mistake in this whole area. Don't move your money before you file. Don't move your money before you file. I know why you want to, but every transfer you made in the months before filing gets reported, and the trustee reads your bank statements line by line. Paying your brother-in-law back ahead of everybody else. Moving cash into your mother's account. That gets undone. And it can cost you your discharge, which is the entire reason you filed. The exemptions already protect the money. There's nothing to outrun. One more thing, and this one bites people. If you bank at the same credit union that holds your car loan, say so before you file. Banks can take money you've got on deposit and apply it to what you owe them. Once your case is filed, they generally can't do that without asking the court first. But some of them freeze the account anyway while they sort it out. And a frozen account is still frozen when rent is due on the 1st. So, will you lose the money in your bank account if you file bankruptcy in Massachusetts? For most people, no. What actually costs people money is what they do to their accounts before they file. And by then, it's already done. There may be a legal opportunity you haven't considered, but it should be evaluated before time, money, or property is unnecessarily lost. Attorney Michael Goldstein, licensed in Massachusetts. We are a debt relief agency. We help people file for bankruptcy relief under the Bankruptcy Code. Attorney advertising. Educational only, not legal advice. Past results afford no guarantee of future results. Every case is different.